Hello and good afternoon. My name is Jason Vo, and I am the JWSC Capital Projects Manager and your host of The Flow Show. Currently, the JWSC has around 24 active construction projects that we're managing and would like to report our progress on the three largest. First is the Academy Creek Water Pollution Control Rehab, which is being upgraded by Ruby Collins. The major construction activities are ongoing. The sludge handling building pits work is ready for the sludge wide body bottom bin to be installed pending manufacturer's delivery. LED lighting are installed for higher brightness, energy efficiency, and reliability as another part of the sludge handling building improvements. The contractor is completed with the filter, concrete placement, and handrails, and is working on the final installation of the equipments, walkways, and grading covers. The discharge piping into the chlorine contact chambers are completed. Cleaning and preparation for the new density baffles and feed wells in the center of the columns of the 6 existing clarifiers has begun and will be performed in stages. The 30-foot odor control system tower is installed on a new concrete slab next to the headworks, which is pending final mechanical piping and electrical installation. The influent sewer reroute is completed. Modifications to the headworks are ongoing, which will include replacing the screens, grates, and protective coating. The demolition of the pre-aeration basin building is nearly 80% complete and begun structural forming for the new splitter box and piping. Once the splitter box and piping are completed, the temporary bypass piping will be transferred over to the new box, and the remaining demolition activities will be completed as planned. The remaining major construction tasks pending are plant-wide SCADA upgrades and final site improvements to be scheduled. As of the last construction progress meeting, the project is on schedule. No large equipment delays are reported and anticipates to be completed by the end of March 2022. Next up is the SPLOST 2016 force main improvements. This is one of the final SPLOST 2016 projects for the JWSC to finish out to accommodate the growth and the future expansion of the surrounding communities. The project limits is in the North Mainland District, starting at Pump Station 4110 and runs along a portion of Harry Driggers Boulevard, Canal Road, and O. Jessup Road, which eventually connects to existing gravity sewer system upstream of Pump Station 4036 off of the end of Ogden Road. Nearly 20,000 linear feet of 12 to 20 inch force main and 2,500 linear feet of 12 to 14 inch water main will be installed via open cut or trenchless directional drill method pending the existing site conditions and constraints such as extensive landscaping. To date, the contractor TB Landmark Construction out of Jacksonville, Florida has installed approximately 4,700 linear feet via open cut with no issues to report. However, with the recent heavy rains causing the groundwater table to rise, the construction progress has slowed down significantly. The contractor is now in the process of installing a well point dewatering system and trench boxes to keep the site safe for open cut excavations. If you're in the area, you will see a small diameter plastic pipes that are evenly spaced sticking out of the ground. These are well points that are connected to a header main pipe, and high efficiency pumps are used to vacuum and control the groundwater level to create a dry working environment for the guys. Overall, like many projects throughout the US, this project has seen its share of ongoing COVID-19 impacts on manufacturing, staffing, and shipping delays. The contractor is trying his best to keep on schedule and anticipates to be completed by the end of March 2022. And finally, let's talk about the SPLOST 2016 improvements for the Pump Station 4035 off Ross Road in front of the Georgia Pacific Corporation and Pump Station 4036 at the end of BMW Grade Road. Pump Station 4035 and 36 both have construction crews from Southern Civil working at each site in parallel. Pump Station 4035 temporary bypassing system and challenging demolition activities are completed. Contractor is currently working on building, mechanical piping improvements, and the electrical site improvement works is to be scheduled right afterwards. The Pump Station 4036 temporary sewer bypassing system is completed. The contractor is working on demolition of the existing station for the upcoming building, mechanical, piping, electrical, and site improvements. These improvements will ensure 2 stations are compliant, reduce maintenance costs, and provide long-term capacity upgrades to accommodate future growth. At the last progress meeting, And similar to the previous SPLOST force main project, the contractor also reports that the delivery date of the high service pumps and other equipments have been delayed due to ongoing impacts seen from COVID-19 pandemic and other supply chain delays. Overall, the project is estimated to be completed by the end of February 2022. So there you have it. The three main projects in the field for this quarter are Academy Creek Water Pollution Control Rehab, SPLOST 2016 Force Main, and SPLOST 2016 Pump Station 40, 35, and 36 improvements. I hope to see you on the next project updates. Thank you for your time, and know that every day, the staff of the JWSC is here to serve you.